big shout out to Apremium for sponsoring this video right here. They sent your boy the CV shaft axle. You know what I mean? I really did need it. I really did need it. My car has been squeaking for the last 2 to 3 weeks, and I'm gonna show y'all that here in a little bit. Don't mind, I got a little bit of mud, sparks, and speckles and splatters and stuff on the side of the car. But yeah, this axle right here is the one that's going to be getting replaced in a little bit. Dave about to pull up to the crib. Yeah, everybody get everything started. So y'all like, comment, subscribe, share to a friend down below. And yeah, let's go ahead and get into the video. It's not going to be nothing too crazy, too long. Y'all already know how the sponsorship videos go. Shout out to Apremium for sending me this in the mail. Real fast shipping, real efficient. And yeah, man, we go ahead and record a little bit of the install.
G37, 2010. By G37, yo.
See that? Straight open. Straight open. Yeah, y'all. So y'all see what was going on. Axle cook. I don't want to touch it. It's going to get in my hand. That got shit to do after this. You know what I mean? Axle out. Axle out. Brand new axle ready to get pulled out the box. Pulled out right now. Yeah, y'all, so we out with the old, and with the new.